I believe that we will. I believe that we will.
Hi, I'm Layla Thomas and welcome back to episode 4 of Trojan TV. This Friday we had a pep assembly for our first home football game.
Great job playing this in. So the first thing that we are going to do is I'm going to hand the mic to our blue crew leader.
We got some rules on like our student section, and it's just basically about respect. We're trying to make it more enjoyable for everybody. We're not trying to be crowded.
I want you to get really intense, really happy. Stand up now. RTY, party, party all the time. Where is the party at the party's over here? Is the party at the party's over here? P-A-R-T-Y, party, party all the time. Where is the party at the party's over here?
This year, in geometry and construction, taught by Mr. Cross and Mr. Jeffcoat, they're building balsa houses.
먼지투성이 hands are trembling right now, right now. Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now.
Video for broadcast
right now. 한 발을 내밀었어 걱정이 많이 있어 now. It's a bit of love, yeah. It's a little tough, yeah. 담배를 물고 있어 생각이 너무 깊어 wow. It's looking too deep. It's a little rough, yeah. Overthinking if I belong, but I'm where I need to be. Nobody's stopping us from fly. Don't kill this mood, just singing na 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 na.
This year, we had new turf installed at Trojan Stadium. Here's Richard Bell with a closer look.
My name is Richard Bell. I'm the Executive Director of Operations for Andover Public Schools. Over this past summer, we completed 3 major renovation projects here at Trojan Stadium. The first and most noticeable is the replacement of the playing surface, or the turf. The existing turf, the previous turf, was 8 years old. Turf usually has a 10-year life cycle. We replaced it a little bit early because there were some underlying issues with the base. The base is just the crushed rock and all the aggregate that's underneath that stabilizes everything. People that played on the previous turf might remember had a big crown in the middle, and really turf fields don't need crowns because they have drainage pipes underneath. So we took a lot of dirt out from underneath this field to make it flatter, more playable. It actually sits a lot closer down towards the track now than it did before. Redesigned the turf, added some more color, modernized it a little bit with some new fonts, and just made it look a little refreshed and better for the upcoming years that it'll be played on. Second major project, we replaced all the stadium lighting, the old metal halide bulbs with LED. LED is taken over, metal halide bulbs are being phased out even from production. So the LED lights are up there now. Should be 20-25 years of pretty much no maintenance on those. That's a nice thing about LEDs. Really, you put them up there and you just kind of forget that they're there and turn them on when you need them. The third one that was done. It just was really a cosmetic project, but we painted they're called vomitories, the tunnels underneath the bleachers that people exit and enter from. So those were kind of an old cream color. Lots of peeling and chip paint, so we sandblasted all that, painted them a nice blue to help pop with the turf. Tried to match the blue as close as we could, and just make the stadium again a little more modern, refreshed, and ready for years of great, enjoyable fun.
Earlier this week, Bailey interviewed people asking what their hot takes were. Here's what they said.
Pineapple does not belong on pizza.
My hot take is pineapple definitely belongs on pizza.
Our hot take is ice cream is overrated.
My hot take is that mint chocolate chip is the best flavor of ice cream.
My hot take is that the Ravens are better than the Chiefs.
Hot take, Chiefs are going to win the Super Bowl again.
My hot take is that Vaseline is better than Aquaphor.
My hot take is that I think Chick-fil-A isn't that good.
My hot take is that cheese is overrated.
My hot take is I think that cracker pretzels are good with ranch.
My hot take is that Chipotle is not fast food.
My take is that ketchup is disgusting.
My hot take is Alani's tastes like medicine.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Trojan TV. See you next week.